Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Last time we discussed about chapter number second of civics institutional representation of democracy. Last time we discussed about universal adult franchises, election commission, and election process in India. So today we will discuss about chapter number same chapter political party system and collusion government. So if we talk about a political party system, so an organization registered with the election commission is known as a political party. Every party who registered in election commission is known as a political party. The members of the party share similar view on national issue. The party aims to gain political power to govern the country. The political party does this by nominating its own candidate and trying to seat them in political office by conducting political campaigns. In such campaigning, it defines its ideology and set out an agenda they would pursue if they gain power. Each political party has its own emblem and color for identification and voter recognition. So every party has its ideology and agenda. So they share their agenda and ideology with the voters or citizens. So next is party system in India. Sorry, in the world. There are several kind of party system in the democracies around the world. Single party system, two party system, multi party system. In the single party system, only one political party is legally allowed to hold effective powers. Like China, Syria have a single party system. Second is two party system. In this, only two parties exist normally, as in United States, America, Republic Party and Democratic Party. It is a widely known as form a stable government. Now, without using a Google, try to know a Donald Trump, a president of America, belongs to which party. Okay, next is multi-party system. Has more than two political parties that are represented and elected to public office. UK, Australia, Canada, Israel, and Pakistan are examples of countries with multi-party system. India also a multi-party system. So as we know that in the India, as state level also as national level, there are number of political parties fight in election. Okay, election are fought between different political parties on the basis of their differing manifestos. The Indian political parties are categorized into two groups: national level parties and state level parties. National level parties are political parties which participate in different elections all over the India and are recognized in four or more states. For example, Indian National Congress, भारतीय जनता पार्टी, बहुजन समाज पार्टी, समाजवादी पार्टी, कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया, Communist Party of India, Marxist, and many more. State parties or regional parties are political parties which are recognized in less than four states. For example, Telugu Desam in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Akali Dal in Punjab, DMK means Dravida, Munitra, Kajagam, and All India Anna Dravida Manitra Kajagam in Tamil Nadu. Basically, these are state level parties, Aam Aadmi Party or Triple PP, Triple P also regional parties or state parties. They are fight with each other in state level. At state level, the party that gets the majority of seats forms the government and is known as a ruling party. The other parties are in minority and they together constitute the opposition. Now, what is the role of constitution? We can say that our opposition keep a check on the working of the government by questioning the policies and working of various departments. मीन्स अगर कोई रूलिंग पार्टी सही काम नहीं करती या पॉलिसीज हैं जो गलत बनाती है या उसके अंदर कुछ गलत चीज़ें होती है तो ऑपोजिशन पार्टी उसके लिए उसे बोल सकती है. सो नेक्स्ट इज कोलिजन. A coalition government is a governing body formed by multiple parties that must compromise on principles. So as we know that different parties fight in election to achieve victory and governs the country or state. But sometimes no party achieve or gain a majority or more than 50% of seats in parliament or assembly. In such case, several parties comes together to form a government, generally under the prime ministership of the leader of largest party. So in the coalition government, just only who is the president, so who get a majority of votes means largest party president. In India, the first ever coalition government was formed at the national level under the Prime Minister late Morarji Desai in 1979. It exists from March 1977 to July 1979 and was headed by the Janata Party. Since 1996, Indian politics has been dominated with the coalition government both at centre as well as the state level. Government in Kerala is successful coalition at the state level. So next is the United Progressive Alliance means UPA. A coalition of 15 parties was formed after the 2004 election commission a general election as no party win majority. Led by INC, Indian National Congress, under the Prime Ministership of Dr. Manmohan Singh, and the coalition come to power for the second time in 2009. The Conservative Liberal Democrat coalition in the government of United Kingdom formed after the 2010 general election. So basically these are coalition government. If we talk at present time, NDA government also governs our country at present. NDA means National Democratic Alliance. If we talk about president of this alliance is Narendra Modi, our president. ये कब आई थी? ये आई थी 1998 के अंदर. Okay, so I hope you understand this topic. If you have any query this related to this chapter, you can ask at my personal window. Thank you.